Hey, welcome back. If you've ever frozen up in a meeting because you didn't know how to say something in English, this video is for you. Today we're covering real business English that native speakers actually use every day. Not textbook English. Real English. Let's get into it. First up, meetings. When you want to jump into a conversation, say this. Sorry to jump in, but I think we should consider a different approach here. Or, if you need more time to think, try this. Could we table this discussion for now and revisit it later? And when someone makes a great point, don't just say, good job. Say, that's a valid point. I think we should factor that into our decision. Sounds sharp, right? Now let's talk about emails. Opening an email with, I hope this email finds you well is fine, but a bit overused. Try this instead. I wanted to follow up on our conversation from last Thursday. Or when you need something urgently, write this. I'd appreciate it if you could get back to me by end of day. And when you're pushing back on someone's request professionally, say this. I understand the urgency. However, we may need to adjust the timeline given our current workload. That right there is how you say no without saying no. Next, presentations. Kicking off a presentation, don't just say today, I will talk about. Instead, open strong. The goal of today's presentation is to walk you through our Q-SAM performance and lay out our strategy going forward. When you're transitioning between topics, use this. Now that we've covered the background, let's shift our focus to the key challenges we're facing. And when you're wrapping up, say this. To summarize, the three main takeaways from today are as follows. Clean, professional, confident. Now for those tough conversations with your boss or a colleague. If you disagree with someone senior, don't just stay quiet. Say, I see where you're coming from, but I'd like to offer a different perspective, if that's okay. That shows respect and confidence at the same time. When you need to set boundaries on your workload, try this. I want to make sure I can give this project the attention it deserves. Can we discuss prioritization? And when you want to ask for feedback without sounding desperate, say this. I'd love to get your input on this when you have a moment. Simple, natural, effective. Let's do a quick role play. Imagine you're in a meeting and your colleague says, I think we should launch the campaign next week. You're not ready. What do you say? You say, I hear you, but I want to make sure we've fully stress tested the concept before we go live. Can we give it 2 more days? That's not pushing back. That's being strategic. Or imagine your boss emails you asking for a report by tomorrow morning and you simply can't do it. You reply with this. Thank you for the heads up. I want to flag that delivering a thorough report by tomorrow morning may compromise the quality. Would it be possible to extend the deadline to noon? Professional, clear, confident. Here's the bottom line. Business English isn't just about grammar. It's about knowing the right words for the right moment. And once you master that, doors start opening. Practice these expressions out loud today. Write them down. Use them in your next meeting or email. That's how fluency actually happens. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.